Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ijaz and you are watching Graphics with Malik. Today I am going to make very beautiful infographic element like this. So let's start it. Our Illustrator has been open. So I am going to create a circle which is my basic shape. I fill with a green color. I am going to divide this circle to make different parts of a same element which will show information like this way. I am going to draw a rectangle shape, a very thin rectangle shape that I am going to use to divide this circle actually like this. I have changed the color of this rectangle for visibility purpose only. I will use a rotate tool to rotate this rectangle shape to divide the circle properly. The edges of the rectangles are from far from the circle. They are far from the circle. I am rotating with rotate tool, simple rotate tool, generating copy first. So I have rotate this rectangle. I will make copy of this rectangle shape to divide this circle properly. I am going to divide this. I will also use Pathfinder panel, which is a very beautiful panel in Illustrator that we will use to divide this shape like this way. I am going to adjust all rectangles on the circle so they cover all part of the circle like this way. Now I have select all parts and I am going to use Pathfinder like this way. Trim, I am going to use trim. Trim is a very beautiful function of the Illustrator. I have divided this shape into this, so it look like this, very beautiful. Here the information will be displayed. I am going to create a new circle like this. I am going to match the circle. Actually, the position of the circle that it must maintain aspect ratios like this. So color of the circle should change for visibility purpose, so it will show originality. So this circle actually trim the path, the sharp edges of three shapes. Layer panel that we are see from the right side, very helpful tool to manage these shapes, because Illustrator is a much faster software and it is so much genius. Selection sometimes become very crucial. So in this way I am going to divide the sharp edges. I am going to use trim in Pathfinder. I am going to delete this part. So now the shapes looking so beautiful. I am going to generate the copy of three shapes like this that I have trimmed before. So I generate a copy and I will use crop tool. Crop tool is a very handy tool. You have also seen in photography like camera. So it work like same way, but Illustrator it also play very vital role for the manipulation of these shapes. So I have generate a copy of that shape. I have keep or maintain the color green same. I have not changed any color of the objects. Later I will change this color into white and change the blend mode into overlay mode. Overlay mode is a very best. It also automatically generate some color shades or color tones. I have also keep a copy of the shape, actually circle shape, for later use, or used to measure the actual size or to maintain the consistency or beautiful proportionally divide. Some layers are actually hide with the I button. You can see left side of the your control your layer panel. This is our shape, new shape that we have trimmed from the actual shapes. So these shapes will be placed at the front of the original shapes. These shapes will be converted into blending modes like this way. So this is our basic structure we have created. We will also create a bulb shapes like that will use as an element for information purpose, because graphical shapes are used to express information. Especially infographics elements are used to express your views, your opinions, and you want to express your idea into a visual means. Infographics help you to visualize your idea. Actually, I have created a circle which maintain its proportion with the whole circle that I divide before. So I have also a copy of the circle. I will use this copy for later purpose. I am going to draw a rectangle shape, and I will maintain the alignment of the rectangle shape and the circle shape by using the alignment setting of the Illustrator. Alignment tool help you to align the objects. Select the only relevant part from the shape. If you drag your circle and select the unnecessary parts, all unnecessary part will be merged in your selection and your artwork will be destroyed. So it must keep in mind, always select the desired portion that you are going to change in Illustrator. So this is a basic structure of the bulb. Later I will refine this shape to build a beautiful shape of the bulb. I will also create base for bulbs, actually a holder. This is Illustrator CS6, does not contain feature curve. I have a script for Illustrator CS6 that curve around the corners of these shapes. These shapes are look beautiful with the curving tool. No shapes are rounded. Our object looking beautiful. I am going to slice this object, actually a bulb. I am using a very handy tool for recording purpose, Open Broadcasting software, which is actually free. Our complete shape have been finished. This is a basic structure that later we will use change colors, actually split this part, divide the bulb portions, create base, upper part or body that holding the glass and other parts, electronic parts. So my recording was disturbed. Some portion of the recording expired. So this is the way we can easily build our infographic elements to create very beautiful infographic elements. Thank you so much. So in this way we will create element of the infographics to show our information. We can use this element as a background, and we can use a human figure that will explain the information that this infographic element contain. It's very useful element of the infographic. Infographic elements are used to express their views. If you want to show your percentage or progress report in such a way, you can use the infographic elements with human figures play very vital roles. I am going to trim or divide the parts, bottom parts are a body or a holder, electronic parts of that bulb. So it will show real bulb. Such a way bulb contains some circles, round circles and circle waves. My recording that I have actually explained disturbed due to some reasons, I don't know. The finished product that I have created, I will show you like at this way. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my videos, my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.